Making Money with AI, Chapter 6, Setup and Expectations. Knowing when not to use AI. Not every decision should be automated. AI can help analyze, compare options, and speed up research, but it should not make high-stakes money decisions for you. Financial risk, legal structure, investment choices, and promises to customers require human judgment. AI can assist due diligence, not replace it. When the cost of being wrong is real, responsibility must stay human. This chapter explains why knowing when not to use AI protects trust, money, and long-term outcomes more than speed ever will. Full breakdowns on the blog, link in bio. New posts weekly. Truality.Finance is a parent brand of .mental, .legalese, and .unfiltered, built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. Just tools to help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. Powered by Mr.Why through Truality.Finance in support of the Truality cause. Dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for illustrative visual concept purposes only. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more educating financial information. These are products of the Truality universe created by Mr. Why.